The best way to teach kids about farming is to get them outside picking fruit, and there's no better place to experience that magic in Spokane than here at Greenbluff.
I started picking raspberries when I was about 8, and I'm gonna finish out picking raspberries because we have raspberries here, and I love it.
Here at Hansen's Greenbluff Orchard, Karen Hansen knows the importance of fresh fruit. She and her family dreamed about having an orchard before this land even became available.
Married my husband back in '64, and he had always dreamt of having a farm and an orchard. I came up here to buy a box of pears. I said, my husband always has wanted to have an orchard. She laughed, Rink, and she said, we've got 10 acres for sale just down the road. The rest is history.
And here we are. What's it like working with your mom?
The truth? Actually, it's great.
Farm manager Derek Hansen works with his mother and his team to grow amazing fruit. At this time in early fall, apples are ripe and ready for the picking.
Oh my God.
I heard the crunch from here.
I hear the crunch for miles.
When my husband planted the trees, he knew he wanted to do cider eventually. So he planted varieties that would ripen throughout the season. So there would always be fresh apples to pick for the cider.
So that's a popular item for you.
It is. By Sunday we're out. I mean, it's crazy. We cannot keep cider in that cooler very long. It's just,
People love it.
And I'm so thankful.
Well, Thursdays are cider making days, so let's see what all the fuss is about.
Every batch is different.
Every barrel.
Every barrel is different.
Let me get you a pair of gloves. Go ahead and stand up here on the platform.
Okay.
And the object is to fill the hopper up with apples. Just dip that in there. And you lift it up there and kind of try to roll it down the side of the hopper.
Okay.
Nice and slow. This is a great shoulder workout.
Yeah, no doubt.
I think we should replace it.
I'm a little slow. I can feel my muscles getting bigger already.
Well, Pete's got the bionic shoulder. He can do this for about 3 hours straight.
Show me your muscles, Pete. He needed a break. Oh, look at him go.
Well, let's get some glasses here,
Okay.
and we'll try a sample. About as fresh as you can get.
No. Woo! That's delicious. There's nothing better.
You have to be careful drinking too much of this because it is loaded with pectin, and it will go right through you.
Good to know.
What we can produce up here is just amazing. It really is when you think about what you put in the dirt and what comes out of it. I know there's a scientific reason for how it all happens, but it's a miracle to me.
It's magical.
It is. It really is.
Cheers, guys. Thank you so much.